In this video, I'll show you how to swap Solana for USDC on Phantom Wallet. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. So open up your Phantom Wallet. So let's say if you have some Solana in your Phantom Wallet and you love to swap it to USDC, I'll show you what you can be able to do. So click on this. You're going to be able to see token people site. So click on site. So click on Jupiter. So click on open. So I'm going to just wait for it to open up now. So once it's opened up, what you need to do now, make sure you connect your wallet. So I'm going to do mine. Yeah, so I'm going to connect my wallet. So yeah, I just connected it. So let's say if you have some Solana and you love to swap it to USDC, what you need to do, just come on here. You're going to be able to see selling. So let's say if you have like 10 Sol, you need to go under and select USDC. So select USDC. So this is it. So once you are done, this is what is going to come out. So because I don't have Solana, but if I had Solana, once I click on this, you're going to be able to see a swap under here. So this is how you can basically do this. So if you find this video helpful, please share it below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.